Okay, this is your little baby. With your little baby lovebird. Yeah. Kind of you're so relaxed he wants to go to sleep. Yes, he does. Oh, you sweet bird. Oh, we love you. Better rock the birdie. Rock the birdie. Yeah, you're a good bird. We love the birdie. So just talk real gentle. How you doing? You doing all right? Oh, and then a little rubbing on the beak helps. And he's probably not going to do this for you starting off, but once he trusts you, finally gets trust in you, and I would first start with a cloth around him and then slowly move into the hand. And rubbing the beak for some reason kind of makes him sleepy. He's a sleepy boy. He's a sleepy birdie. Yeah. Cute. Little smile on his face. Oh, so cute.